Even the founder of the Ahmadiya movement has said there are quite a number of Muslims in China. The companion of the Holy Prophet ﷺ went there to do preaching, and through preaching Chinese accept Islam. There was no war. Millions of people accepted Islam. Why? There are so many other places where Islam spread, and that was through teaching, not war.
Many non-Muslim people in the West associate Islam or some kind of Islam with the women issue, in the mistreating of women, like saying that Islam prescribes women to be of a lesser rank. What is your comment on the role of women?
You see, Quran says men and women both have the same right. But women have been entrusted the job of training their children. How can they train their children if they are uneducated, if they are illiterate, if they are ignorant? That means Islam says women should also learn about religion. Women should also learn about worldly knowledge. Women should also learn about other academic things. Women can also be involved in other professions. Even during the wars, during the time of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, when the women used to participate in the war as a medical personnel to help the injured and wounded people. So this doesn't mean that they should remain in the four walls of their house. There are quite a number of women who even fought in the wars during the early time of Islam. But at the same time, God says the main duty to be the breadbasket of their house is of man. They should earn for their house. And the main duty of the woman is to train their children. But for training their children, they should also learn and improve their knowledge so that they can transfer that knowledge to their children. This is why once the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, learn half of the religious knowledge from Aisha, his wife, because she was very talented and practicing Muslim. Even he asked Muslim men that if she tells you something which she has learned from me, then take it seriously. Even in the Holy Quran, Allah Ta'ala says that treat your women with kindness. Never ever it has said that if you are cruel to your women, you will be saved. No. Islam does not say that women do not have any right. They have the right. Even they have the right of divorce in Islam, which you only had some decades or 1 century ago in Europe. If you study the teaching of the religions, no religion is giving that much rights which is given to the women in Islam.